Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're talking about how to get a customer back for not tipping you. Or, I'm sorry, I just can't. I was laughing so hard when I read this thing. The title of it popped up on my Yahoo News. It said, Doordash customer locks customer inside of house. And I was sitting there like, what? How is that possible? How does someone get locked inside of the house? So there's this viral TikTok going of this guy films. Okay, so basically the guy has an opening screen door, and then his door for his house comes inside. But the Doordash guy put his iced coffees right outside the door, so you couldn't open the screen door to get out. Dude, I was dying laughing because I've thought about that a few times. Like, I see the screen door and I'm like, well, I better not put it too close, otherwise they're not going to be able to open the door. But then I thought about it and I was like, man, you know what? Some of these customers who don't tip, maybe I feel like they might need their orders to be like right there. Just give them a little taste of their own medicine. I don't know. Don't do that. I just think it's hilarious, and I might do it if a customer really pisses me off or something, but you don't know who's going to have a screen door or anything like that. But I thought it was hilarious. First of all, this guy has a screen door, which means he has a house, which means he can go around the back door and go get his own food. It's not that big of a deal. It is a hilarious little prank that you can really play as like a DoorDash driver, though. Like, I don't know, have you guys ever done this on accident? I've seen it in the notes before. Do not place right next to screen door. I've seen that twice, actually. So that was probably what made me think about it the first time. I was like, that's hilarious. If I put this right there, they can't open the door. Totally rude. Don't take my advice, or do. I don't care. People are going to get mad at me for telling them this. Like, hey, that's not funny. One time, I did get locked inside of my apartment, and I wasn't able to get out without spilling my iced coffee or my McDonald's soda. Someone's gonna be mad. But anyways, I don't know. I think it's like one of the most hilarious pranks that you could probably play on a customer. So this guy has this TikTok, right? And the TikTok has multiple videos of DoorDash drivers continuing to leave at this point, I feel like this guy is probably faking it, because he got 3 million views the first time. Like, Dasher locks customer in house. But I mean, who knows? If I would probably fake videos like that too. If I got 3 million views on one TikTok, dude, that's hilarious. Anyways, I mean, there's so many ways you can get around that. Just like open it, grab the cup under, open it, push the floor mat, or the whatever you call it, the shoe scrubbing mat out. Doormat. Why can't I think of doormat? Just push the doormat out a little bit. I mean, if you're like a grandma or something, you might have a pretty bad issue getting these. So, I don't know. It's hilarious because, like, what can you really do? Like, are they going to give you a bad rating? Probably. They'll probably give you, like, a bad rating, but you can't really get in trouble for that, right? It's kind of like, it could be a very honest mistake, and it seems like it started off as an honest mistake for this, but I bet you this happens, like, 1,000 times a day at least, where a DoorDasher puts the coffee or the drink so close to the front door that the customer cannot open it. So if you ever want to strike back against a customer, maybe they're giving you shit about your order being late, maybe they didn't tip you and you're dumb and you took the order anyways and it's only $2.50 or something like that, maybe just leave a little note like, hey, next time tip my driver, enjoy getting this. I'm just kidding. Don't take my advice. I'm just some dumbass on YouTube telling you guys funny stuff. Anyways, I thought it was hilarious. Let me know if you guys have had any funny moments like this, whether it's with DoorDash drivers or with, like, there was this one time I found an Uber Eats driver literally trying to steal my food. I see this is 2 days in a row. The first time I ever ordered Uber Eats, okay? So the first time I'm sitting there, I'm like, all right, food should be here any minute now. And then all of a sudden it says food or driver could not complete order. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, how did they not, why were they not able to complete the order? So, okay. Anyways, I get my money, or I get a coupon added to my account. So I get that same exact, it wasn't like my money back, but they were like, we'll give you a credit towards the next time you order. So the next day I ordered the exact same thing. Guess what? I get the exact same driver. Okay, so I'm like, oh hell no, I'm getting my Panda Express today. This time, okay. So, anyways, I go outside. I see the DoorDash driver pull up. I'm looking right at her. I'm like, oh, that's definitely her. She just turns right and drives around the apartment 2 times, and I'm like, what is she doing? I'm like calling her, and she's not answering. So the second time, I literally run out and I stand in front of her car. I'm like, yo, you got my food. What are you doing? Like, she's literally trying to come up with an excuse like, oh, I couldn't get into the apartment complex or whatever. I don't know. Maybe this girl just really liked Panda Express, but that was that was probably it was the first time I ordered too. Anyway, so let me know if you guys have any funny stories. Comment them down below. I had to share this story because it's funny that DoorDash customers are getting locked in their houses because people leave the food or drinks too close to the door. I'm sorry, but that's just like one of those pranks that's just like way too funny to not laugh at. Anyways. All right, we will see you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing and also smash that like button for me. Help me get some more views. My channel has been slacking so bad lately on views. I don't know if it's because I haven't been putting out, if my content sucked lately, or maybe it's because my videos are, every time I put out informational videos that I think I'm like, this has got so much information in this video, it's going to do so well. No one clicks on it. They only want to click on the DoorDash drama and all that other stuff. I don't know. Maybe this video will get some views. I don't know. Let me know also in the comments down below. What do you guys want to see from my channel in the future? Do you guys want to see more DoorDash news? Do you want to see more of the Daily Dash? Do you want to see more tips and tricks videos? I started my channel basically just to put out tips and tricks because I wanted to just help people and give them as much information as I possibly could. That way people are learning from my channel and not just getting entertained, because I mean, it's all fun and games if you're just like getting entertained, but I really want people to learn and achieve more in life by coming to my YouTube channel. And when I see people say like, oh, Tanner, you helped me so much, that is super rewarding for me. So comment down below. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys want to see from my channel in the future? And hopefully we can start breaking a few hundred views again, because it's been pretty bad lately. Anyways, if you guys are still sticking around, thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate you. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.